Hey guys, today I'm going to be making deep fried shrimps. So let's get started. So what I'll be using today is 2 eggs, 1 bowl of frozen shrimps, and the Dora Hot Crispy Chicken Mix. I am aware that it is a chicken mix and not a shrimp mix, but I'm going to be using it for shrimp anyways. You will also be needing a pot of oil for deep frying. So let's get started. So I have my shrimps defrosted and drained. My eggs are whisked in a bowl, and I have my hot crispy chicken mix spread out on a plate. And now I'm going to show you how I'm going to batter it. So first what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be grabbing about a handful of my shrimps, and I'm going to be coating them in my batter. And then I'm going to leave them here for about a minute. So after a minute, I'm going to be taking off the excess batter from my shrimps, and then I'm going to be putting them into my egg and then back into the mix. Now they're ready to be fried. So I've coated all my shrimps in the batter, and now it's time to fry them. Once our oil is heated, we are going to add our shrimps. So I've added my shrimps into my pot, and now I'm going to let it fry for a minute or two or until they are golden brown. There you have it, an easy and simple recipe for deep fried shrimps in minutes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video while I enjoy this. That was good.